Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to always keep your mobile hotspot on your Windows 10 computer. So we're going to go ahead and jump right into it. So please now make sure you're running an up-to-date version of Windows 10. This option might not be available on earlier builds of the Windows 10 operating system. So we're going to go ahead and jump right into that. So this tutorial will apply for Windows 7, Windows 8, and Windows 10 devices. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. And we're going to start by opening up the Start menu. Just left click on the Start button one time. Type in Control Panel. Best match check back with Control Panel right above App. So go ahead and left click on that. Set your view by to Category View. So click inside this drop down here and select Category. And then select Network and Internet. Select Network and Sharing Center. Select Change Adapter Settings on the left side. And now whatever your network connection is listed under here that's currently active, you want to just go ahead and right click on it and then select Properties. You might have multiple ones listed in here. Just make sure you're selecting the right one. There should only be one or two hopefully. Just make sure you should know your name of it, whether it's Ethernet, Wi-Fi. It should have a unique name to it. And if you have your ISP information handy, it should be pretty clearly labeled as well. So anyway, now that we're in here, you want to go and select the Configure button. And then select the Power Management tab. And now under here, you want to uncheck the box where it says allow the computer to turn off this device to save power. And once you have that, you want to go ahead and select OK. Now you can close out of here. Would suggest restarting your computer, and that should be about it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.